Hello everyone. So today is 19th of May and let's have a quick recap of what happened on 16th of May on our HFT Algo scanner, and according to that what we are expecting today. So this is on 3x speed and I'm replaying it on the 1 minute chart. So as you can see, like, we will be marking the places where big call writers or big put writers were seen, and thus we will it will help us to analyze what we are expecting today on 19th. Okay, so let's see. If you can see here, that is market was consolidating, and we got many good scalping opportunities from the HFT algo scanner, like this one as you saw here. And now right now here at 11:09, so 100 CR of put writing happened. Okay, and so we should mark this level, that is 24,955. Okay, we'll mark this one. And again some call writing happened, it came down, but this was a big one. Okay, so almost 100 cr, so 96.7, so almost 100 cr of put writing happened, and that was the largest one, like, for the day, the largest positions made by the big institutions on the HFT algo scanner for that 16th of May, that is last Friday. And I was also live during this time, while we saw that these call writers were present at the end. While market was moving up, Nifty was moving up, we saw that this big call writers, like, they did not short all of a sudden, but in like small quantities, so they shorted. Okay, and so let it end and let's mark the positions. So basically, like, the big put writers, the 100 CR put writers, so they got some exit, but these call writers, I think, like, at the end they were dominating, and so we can expect some fall, and or otherwise a little bit of up move, and then some fall might come into play. So that's what I am expecting, and so let's mark the level. So as we also did earlier, so let's go for the horizontal line and let's mark it here. So and a yellow line, and most of the call writing, as you can see, during happened during this period. So let us also mark this level. Okay, so let's again go here, and okay, so that's the thing. And again, if one of these levels breaks, so we will have to be careful, and again we will be looking for, if market moves up, so I'll be looking for reversal signal on the HFT algo scanner. And if it straight away starts from the morning, like, starts going down, so I'll be using this 24,950, almost this level, to watch till here. Like, I will be short, and then I will watch whether this level also is taken down, is being taken down or not. And yeah, so that will be my analysis, but overall I will be a little bit biased towards the bearishness. And so that's my overall analysis. And yeah, so the reason being here is that, like, at the end I saw mostly call writers were present by taking Nifty higher up, so mostly call writers were present. And these put writers, yes, they got a nice exit, like they took market up to, like, from almost, like, almost 100 points, not much, but still almost 100 points they took it up. And anyways, like, that's it for this video. So we'll see what happens, what our HFT algo scanner tells us during the live market hours, and we'll do accordingly. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one.